Okay, welcome back traders. Let's start with the Nifty 50 analysis for September 13. Yeah, the important levels can be marked in one day time frame. Those are previous swing highs. So this was the previous swing high. That was previous all-time high though. And previously swing low isn't important as of now because the market is continuous in uptrend. And previous day highs and lows have already been marked. This was the previous day high, and this was the previous day low. And yeah, I think this is not as important for today. So you can see the market opened with a bullish candle. Actually this is a bullish candle. We say this as a bullish pin bar with a negative closing because the candle is bullish because it take rejection from this trend line support, and it was moving up, but the thing is the sellers have pushed the price downwards. Yeah, though it looks a red candle, but it is considered as a bullish pin bar candle. So there is one more strategy that I use. When the candle is very huge, you have to wait for the retracement. So as we have discussed in the previous sessions, whenever there is a red candle opening, you can go for a red candle retracement, and that where again you can re-enter for the current scenario. So the same logic applies here as well, but this is a green candle retracement strategy. So you have to enter once again when the price comes around these levels. You can clearly see that the price went up, took resistance from the CPR that we have for today, and again the price came down. So this is where the strong buyers are sitting. So that also indicates this is a trend line support as well. So this is where you can enter once there is a bullish confirmation. So bullish confirmation is at this bullish pin bar candle or a normal bullish candle. Your stop loss can be over here or below this support line, and easily target would be 1:2, or you can see it is easily achieved. Okay, and one more strategy that I discuss is a simple wedge pattern, which is happening most of the which happened in most of the trading days in the last week. So again, you can see that there was a trend line support over here. You can see there was a trend line support, and yeah, this was a wedge kind of pattern, you can see clearly. So this is where we have to see that this was a failed double bottom breakout in yesterday, and eventually it gave a wedge pattern for today. So yeah, this was a very good wedge pattern, you can see. That is nothing but a simple price action strategy that we use, and it gave a breakout around this level. So yeah, this could be your entry. Stop loss is below previous symbol if you have entered the trade with using a wedge pattern breakout, and it gave 1:2 to our target easily. And one more thing that if you could have watched my previous videos, I always say that at least for the last week we had 2 to 3 CPR breakout trades. Again, you can see CPR is a very strong support or resistance. Wider the CPR, stronger the resistance or support, but it was an average CPR, so the resistance will not be that much. And again, one more strategy that I discussed, and if you have gone through my previous videos, you would have definitely taken this trade. Your entry would be CPR breakout over here, and the stop loss would be below this what you can say a central pivot line, and again your target can be 1:2 or easily. And one more thing we can notice here that let me discuss about position sizing and adding to winning trades as well here. So you can see the second entry was a wedge pattern breakout, and stop loss could be here. You can clearly enter the trade without any hesitation or any doubts on your analysis. But I would suggest that you can easily go aggressively trade this trade, because you know what, there is one confirmation is this was a previous wedge pattern which has been broken down. One confirmation, and another confirmation would be there was a CPR breakout as well. You know, like CPR breakout always gives very good momentum within a shorter period of time. So one confirmation was wedge pattern breakout, another confirmation was CPR breakout. Another one that I can see is here was a very huge red candle that indicates that here there it's the area of what you can say bears. So their stop loss will be here. We have shorted the market over here, so the stop loss would be easily taken out. So these are the 3 confirmation that I got for this particular entry. So I would suggest to go aggressive over here. So that's where you can win very big when your chances of losing is very less. And one more thing, there were no resistances at all over here, so it would have given easily this one a previous swing high or the previous day high, because you know what, there are huge sellers over here. So a market will always try to hunt the stop losses of either bears or the bulls. So that's how the sentiments work. So one was this green candle retracement, another one was wedge pattern breakout along with CPR breakout. Yeah, that's it for Nifty 50 analysis. Let's move back to Bank Nifty analysis. So I have already been marked the levels as well. So let's to confirm the same, let me switch into 1 day time frame. And yeah, these are the previous this could be a previous swing high for current day, because the yesterday this particular swing high was taken out yesterday itself. So this can act as a previous swing high for current day, and the previous swing low can be this one, which is too far from the current market day. And yeah, let's mark our previous day highs and lows. This was a pre-DL and this was a previous day high. Yeah, you can see there was a CPR over here, and how beautifully the pattern has been formed over here. You can see another, this was kind of a wedge pattern as well. And yeah, there was a breakout, you can see clearly. So yeah, I did give the same update in Telegram channel as well, live, where I have given this trade for a 1:2 R ratio. If you can join my Telegram channel, you can understand. I sometimes give live updates as well, based upon the risk. I did give the update that this was a very good breakout, because the Nifty 50 did also give the breakout after CPR. So that's where the market is expected to move above. So though there was a resistance, I gave an update like this is a CPR resistance. It might be a risky trade, but it was supported by Nifty 50 analysis as well. So I would suggest you to go for a entry over here, and I did update the same as well. So yeah, this was the trade, and it gave 1:2 risk reward ratio easily. And this is where position sizing and adding to winning positions comes into play. This was an aggressive entry because there were 3 confirmations, and this was also like once you enter the trade over here, if you can see there was a good breakout, stop loss can be here, and your actual target would be 1:2R, which gave it easily. But I would suggest you to add to your winning trades when the particular analysis is most probable to win with a very minimal stop loss. So I would suggest you to add to your winning trades. So this is where again a CPR breakout happened. Okay, so this CPR breakout is a very good strategy, along with other conditions that I will be discussing my webinars as well. So this is the trade that you can add to your winning trades. You can see your previous stop loss was here, right? So you were already in a particular trade. Which one you say, like this wedge pattern breakout, you are already in this trade. You can see this easily, and your stop loss was very huge. It was kind of very huge. Okay, so you have got one more trade entry here, which was CPR breakout. And yeah, your stop loss could be here, and your target could be 1:2 or easily, which it gave within next few maybe 40 to 50 minutes. And this is where you are already in this particular trade. And again, there was one more confirmation. What I would have done in this place is that I would have traded my stop loss from this point to from this point, keep adding to my winning position. So where if you had your maybe 100 or 500 quantities over here with this stop loss, you could have add one more 500, or you could have taken a fresh entry over here by moving your stop loss or trailing your stop loss from this level to this level, which is a CPR breakout stop loss level. And again, you would have added your quantities to here. So previous target was this one. For the wedge pattern breakout will be, you can see the first target would be here. Okay, but what would you would have done is, you would have shifted your trailed your stop loss, you would have added quantities to your winning trades, and you would have waited for 1:2 or ratio from this particular point in time. So that would have given a huge winning profits. Yeah, that's how winning adding to winning positions or position sizing works with respect to market sentiments. That's how you can master. If you can stay or observe the markets for a longer period of time, that's how you usually gain your psychology with respect to winning trades or losing trades. Always remember, or always keep it in a point that you have to always add your quantities only to the winning trades. This is a very good or important trip for the price action traders, or any kind of trader he or she is. So, and you should always cut your losses first. You should always hold your winners till the target. it might you might get a disturbance, or you might get your psychology is affected once after giving a huge rally of continuous green candles. You would expect it to move till target with with the same price action or with the same kind of candles. But always remember, the market won't work like that. Okay, so you should always remember that the market, if that moves parabolic momentum, that's what to say. If the market has moved on like this, no, without getting any retracement over here, you can say which one, that one, like yeah, mm, this one. If the market didn't take a retracement, if it have moved like this continues to this point, it would have taken easy rejection from over here, and it came it would have come directly towards downside. So that's not a price action. But the market to sustain will be when the market goes like this, and it should take up pullback. That's where some kind of profit booking will happen, or the people who have missed entries over here would definitely wait for the retracement till 20 ma that I follow, or till a certain price action level. Again, they would re-entry over breaching of this side. So that's how the market works, and how beautifully the price action can be studied or observed. Yeah, that's it for today. Have a nice day. Thank you for watching. Do join my Telegram channel for live updates, and do like, do comment, do subscribe to the channel for future price action analysis. Yeah, that's it for today. Thank you.